don't eat crawfish?
Don't eat fish, shrimp.
She don't like wraps?
You barely even eat the fried food. I'm like that. That's the best shit. Fried and wrapped, that's the best kind of deer meat there is.
What?
I know. He said he's taking the table out.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna get that.
Well, Texas are not bad.
Real quick, you wanna eat out there?
Yeah.
That big bag.
Boy, those are good. That might have something to do with it. Golly. What if they turn the fan over here and make them go away?
Yeah, turn that fan up right here and it'll blow them flies away maybe.
Head of it.
The crawfish?
Yeah.
So they're coming over tomorrow, huh?
Do what?
Y'all coming over tomorrow, huh?
I don't think so.
Yeah, we're having lunch tomorrow.
With John and Deanna?
Yeah. Everybody over here. You coming? Ribs and chicken and dirty rice, beans.
It's better without the